got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
One of our subs stands, we're going to handle all the product, but we want to display how we changed everything up this year. Our sub stand down there, you can give it a twirl too.
The big sub. That's big.
We're going to try and get everything zero gravity next year. It just makes it a lot more accessible for people to look at, you know? This is the new X2C. This is brand new. It's got a 5-inch voice coil and it's rated at 10K RMS. Right here.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.